Our idea is a mobile app which connects stakeholders of blood donation programs to a single platform. This also follow-ups and give personalized messages and notifications for the users. According to the timely requirement, the need of the society within the scope will be also catered through this app. The previous prototype led us to identify the need of transport facilities for the blood donors is in high demand. During the mentoring session, we were advised to use carpooling system so it will be more user-friendly and engaging within the public. Since carpooling promotes volunteerism, we as a team working on adding carpooling as an added option for this app. In the webinar series, we learned that it is important and a rule of ethics to keep an option for the users to have inquiries and send feedbacks. Taking that ethical fact into account, we have added an option for the users to send feedbacks and have inquiries within the app. In future development stages of the app, we hope to add a hotline service where the users can inquire 24/7 regarding the app as well as blood donation services. The success of our idea can be identified as blood donors and blood recipients using this platform to fulfill their needs related with blood donation programs with ease. Blood donors will look for blood drives through this mobile app and then get connected with those blood donation campaigns. Blood recipients who are in need of specific blood can filter and find the available blood donors and get connected to them directly through this app. Blood donation program organizers will use this app to reach out the logistic suppliers to have a successful blood donation campaign, and also they will use this app to promote their blood donation program and reach the available and potential blood donors in the area. We have identified few key partners for this project. Sri Lanka Red Cross Society as the representative and coordinating body with the blood donation service as well as other stakeholders, National Blood Transfusion Service as the blood transfusion service provider, private and government hospitals as the blood banks, transport service providers such as Uber and PickMe which will fulfill the transport requirement. 60% of the funding will be allocated as the development and hosting cost, while the remaining 40% will be allocated for the blood donation campaigns. The 40% of the funding will be provided for the blood donation program organizers who request financial support through the app. As the next stage of this app development, we will have discussions with our transport providers to get their service for this mobile app. In order to expand the rewarding system for our regular blood donors, we will have discussions with the identified partners such as insurance companies, supermarkets to provide them discounts in their daily transactions. For the self-sustenance of this service, we will develop this mobile app with financial donation gateways open for anyone who are willing to contribute financially. Those funds will be used in funding blood donation program organizers to make their blood donation campaign successful. Our team will be further expanded as a dedicated team in assisting and developing the app, with many components to be added in the longer run. Currently, Sri Lanka Red Cross Society is playing a key role in organizing blood donation programs across the country. Through the mobile app, volunteers and blood donors can find ongoing and upcoming blood donation programs and join them. More importantly, the National Society will be able to direct the blood donation program organizers through the app for further funding and other requirements. This step in digitalizing blood donation process will help the National Society in its process in transferring for Category B and Category A with the guidance of IFRC Global Advisory Panel. Sri Lanka is currently facing a huge economic crisis where the focus of the people is on daily survival. Still, the need of continuous blood supply for the health sector keeps rising. Making it worse, the blood banks have run out of the essential medical equipments needed in the process of blood collection. Through the app, we were able to help in addressing those needs by encouraging blood donors and blood drive organizers by facilitating them financially. We were also able to coordinate foreign donors and parties interested in aiding the blood donation process to bring down the medical needs and essentials. For this, the moderation and the guidance is given by the National Society and the Ministry of Health throughout the process as of the requirement.